Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box. This one is called CAUSEBOX and it is supposed to be sustainable and earth-friendly and small businesses and all those sorts of things. So it's like $50 a month, but if you prepay for the year, you get a discount, you know, the huge. So I'm super excited to see what's in here. It very much reminds me of like FabFitFun, you know? Or like Oceanista that I just did. Okay, let's see. We have a little booklet in here. Geez, there's a lot of stuff in this. Okay, all right, we'll get to that. This is cute. See the little sticker right there? The little pool floaty, same as the box. Oh, is this a bag? Altru, made for good. Oh, this is a cute little bag. Perfect little beach bag, right? Oh, what's this? Okay. Little tassel thing, is that like to tie around your bag? I mean, right? I have no idea. Adorbs, right? Oh, I love this. It's a good size. It's not too big. Like you're not gonna fit your whole, you know, kids' towels and stuff in here, but it would be good for, you know, small things. This is also just kind of cute to, you know, tote around town, right? Who doesn't love a cute little tote? Ooh, I see some Hanalei. I like this brand. Aloe Gel. All right, just a little tub. It says massage aloe gel into face and body to cool and refresh skin. Ooh, it smells like cucumbers. Actually, it smells really good. Let's see, that's kind of a big glob that I just wiped on my arm, but I wanna see how it is, you know, if it dries sticky, because I had this one aloe gel that I hated because it was like the worst texture and it felt awful on my skin. So I want to see how this one feels. This feels nice. It doesn't feel sticky or like it's getting crunchy on my skin or anything. It does have a cooling sensation. I love that cucumber scent. It smells like fresh cucumbers, you know, not like sweet cucumbers, if that makes sense. What is this? Oh, it's a tumbler. Insulated tumbler, dual wall stainless steel lid included. Oh, this is, I have a similar one, but it's much smaller than this. Well, it says 12 ounces. I don't know how big mine is. Maybe this just seems bigger than mine, but I love these kinds of things. They're just, you know, they're cute to drink out of. They're great for whatever beverage you like. I use mine for coffee mostly, honestly, but I think it's technically supposed to be a wine tumbler. You know, I mean, this is the shape of a wine glass, but you could put whatever. Pina colada, and then it has a little plastic lid with just a little drink spout. I'm actually excited about that. I will totally use that. What is this? Another bag? Okay, so this would probably be good for, it's got kind of like a rubbery inside, so this would be good for wet clothes, like throw your wet bathing suit in here or something. So that's kind of cool, I like that. Some scrunchies, a little 3-pack of scrunchies, white, yellow, and pink. Let's see, they feel like good quality scrunchies. You know, sometimes they like, the rubber band just isn't very good. These feel good. So my hair is kind of short for scrunchies right now, but that's okay. I can use them in my daughter's hair. All good, reef-friendly sport sunscreen. Zinc formula, non-greasy. Fantastic. I can always use sunscreen, and I love that it is reef-friendly. I think I've used this brand before, All Good. I think I've had other stuff from them, like moisturizers and things. Oh, a postcard. It's just a postcard. How cute. I should send that to somebody. And what is this? What is this? Is this a poncho? It is, right? Okay, hang on, I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so you just got like the hole in the middle, right? So it's quite long. I mean, I'm tall and this goes past my knees. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's kind of interesting. What do we think? Okay, let me look back in that booklet. Tribe Alive, an endlessly versatile caftan that can be worn from beach to brunch, inspired by the CAUSEBOX community and handcrafted by artisans in India. Wow, we have a whole thing on it. Oh, and it looks like, okay, so you can see in this picture, the lovely ladies are wearing it in different ways. And then there's this whole big thing about the women in India who create these, witnessing strong women overcome unimaginable odds and earn respect in parts of the world where women are not viewed as equal is the most meaningful part of what we get to do. It is quite a nice material, actually. It feels like, you know, it's pretty soft, lightweight. Okay, the scrunchies. For every product Band-Aid sells, 3 meals are donated to children in need. Proceeds from the straw tote support ocean conservation initiatives across the world. Wow, so all kinds of really interesting things in here. Today is a good day. Today I am grateful for, got a little thing here to fill out. Ooh, a recipe for mint limeade. That sounds fantastic. This is full of all sorts of wonderful things. What a fun box. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box so that you guys can check that out. I think this is really fun. I am very excited about this box. What a super fun box. And it all fits in my little tote. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!